my God.
Son. Yo, you won't believe the morning I just had. So I'm at my go-to cafe. Guess what I went into? Yo, Eagle.
Eagle?
Eagle. He literally just got back from Paris. Now he's up over there labbed up, cooking up beef.
Cooking now?
Cooking. He ended up wanting to go to a vinyl record store. So we pull up to the record store, run into Nate and Vanna. Nate, Vanna? Whew. Vibes was crazy. And it's not even noon yet.
Deadass?
Saying, that's not all. So there we are, chopping it up. Nigu wanted to get everybody together to head to the pier just for the fuck of it. I'm just saying, sounds of something. Yo, which hat with this fit?
Bro, where you going?
Well, we headed to the Getty for an exhibition. Trying to run?
Say less.
Let's go.